Lab Tech Show, Tall Boy, CES 2025. We're live at the J5 Create booth, and they always say we're connected to the future. And I got my man Brandon here, and he's going to show us two products that make sense when it comes to technology and something to say we're going to get connected with you. Brandon, tell us what you got.
Definitely. We appreciate it, Corey. Well, one big product right here is our certified Matter power strip. So this is designed to work with your any smart home environments, whether that's Google Home, Amazon Alexa, or Apple HomePod. Plug that into your outlet and say maybe you have a fan, maybe you have a light or RGB lighting, anything of that nature, and you plug them into these individual outlets. This can connect right to any of those environments, whether it's, again, Alexa, Apple, Google Home. And then once you get it set up, very simple way to just program them within the app. Say, Alexa, turn off the fan, turn on the fan. Alexa, turn off this light, or Alexa, turn off switch 4, whatever your naming convention is. And it allows you to automate and basically program your home to work the way that you'd like to.
So I see you have 3 USB-A ports and 1 USB-C ports. Are these all power delivery? How does all of this work?
That's right. They're all power delivery. So this is all conjoined to switch 5. So if you turn off switch 5, it will turn off each power port in here. That's how those are designed for. Maybe a phone, maybe something small. Just keep it on at all times. Maybe these are kind of more your things that you might be plugging in lamps or things that actually have their own AC ports.
Gotcha. Makes sense. Why would somebody want something like this?
Well, the way I kind of look at it is you can go buy a fan. You can go buy a smart home device that itself is smart. Let's just say, so speaking, it works with Matter. Or you don't necessarily need to do that. You can have any old fan, any old binary switch fan or light or lamp or whatever the case is, and plug them right in here, and it'll be smart for you. So that's the way I kind of look at it. Instead of having to actually go the depth to get those devices that are certified, they're very expensive. You don't have to worry about that. You can just get this, and then all the devices you have already will work with this perfectly.
Now, you have a feature here that says link and protected. What does that mean?
So protected means that it's plugged in and all of the sockets are secure in terms of its joule rating, which is 500 joules. The link, basically, if it's completely blank, that means there's no link to any home environment. So you're not linked up yet. There's basically a button right here on the side. If you press that and hold it for a few seconds, you'll see it start blinking. That means it's ready to pair. That's when you can pair it with, again, Apple HomePod, Alexa, Google Home. Once it's paired, that link button will be a solid orange.
And so it would do anything from your TV to fan. It could be a lamp. It could be any device as long as it's plugged inside of these 4 sockets or inside of the 3 USB-C 3 USB-A and the 1 USB-C port.
That is correct.
All right. How much does something like this go for?
Right now, this is $49.99 USD.
All right. So look, this is an affordable price point right here for you, right? So, this is something that makes sense. Now, we have something else that's pretty cool. You have a Crosslink Wormhole Smart Link. Did I get it right?
That is correct. Something along those lines. Basically, a MagSafe power station right here that you can dock your iPhone at.
That's not included.
No, that's right.
It's not included.
Yes, be very clear about that. So essentially, it builds on some of the wormhole technology. Basically allows you to get a direct link set up wirelessly from your iPhone or your iPad or Android phone to a Windows PC.
So hold up, let me get this right. Yes. I can connect my phone to my laptop and I can transfer files?
That is correct.
With no problems?
Yes, with no problems. That's correct.
Wow. Okay.
Yep.
All right.
So you can move files to the iPhone and it will be deposited into the files section. Whether you're going to do that vice versa to the Windows PC. The drag and drop feature works very well. It's very hard to see on camera, of course, but if I move it over to the edge of the screen, it'll move in, move around, do what you need to do on your phone, move back here, and then you'll have your mouse control once again.
So literally, you take your mouse or you take your finger on your mouse pad, on the trackpad, and you drag and drop. And same thing with the phone. So if you have a video that you just went to a concert, or if you were just at an event, or whatever the case may have been, you can literally go into your phone, plug in the Crosslink Wormhole or Wormhole Cross-Link.
Yes,
not sure which one.
Right.
And then you can just drag right onto your laptop.
That is correct.
Tablet or iPad.
That's correct. Yep. That's
and
right.
same in reverse engineering for the laptop. I need an important file. I need it on my phone and it can go straight in.
Yes, sir. That is correct. That is
all right.
correct.
Now look, this sounds simplified. This sounds perfect. Is this new? How much does it cost? Is it out? Like what are we talking about as far as numbers?
Yeah. So this is a newer product, not out yet and, not too certain of the MSRP as of this moment. Likely within the next year, we're going to be seeing something like this release. But again, MSRP right now, not too certain on it.
All right. So this once again is the J5 Create Matter certified smart power strip.
Yes.
And then we have the Wormhole Cross-Link bringing future.
Yeah, Crosslink USB-C dock.
Okay, so dock, USB-C dock. All right, so we're connecting the future, right?
That's correct.
All right, look in the camera and tell people why they should look at J5 Create and look at these products.
Well, I would say when you go with J5 Create, you get a very quality developed product at a very competitive price point, and you get people that really care about you and the products that are in your home and house every day. We've spent a lot of time testing these products. We've spent a lot of time researching the market itself, and we know what lies ahead of us, and we're prepared to weather that storm. So I think that all the products we provide are a fantastic solution. And again, you're going with the best.
Well, look, my man Jared, you guys seen him for years. He's hiding behind the camera. It's perfectly fine because Brandon did a phenomenal job.
That's right.
J5 Create, they're connected to the future. Y'all want to see more? Go to j5create.com.
There you go.
Tall Boy, Lab Tech Show. We're gone.
It's the Lab Tech Show. Join us Wednesdays at 8 p.m. Eastern at thelabtechshow.com. Embrace it or get left behind.
Alrighty then.